Good morning and good evening, everyone. I'm Mark of the BSI 3C, and I will show you how to connect a computer by peer-to-peer network. First, we need a UTP cable. Here, it's a crossover one. Next, two units. It's either a desktop or a laptop. But in this tutorial, we'll use a laptop and desktop. And now, I will connect the UTP cable in the laptop. And now, I will connect the last UTP cable in the desktop. And now it's connected. Now let's see the instructions later.
Now, I will show you a tutorial that connects two computers by using peer-to-peer connection. First, we'll open the control panel. Then, go to the network connections. Now, click the Setup Network Connection. After you open it, click Next. Next. Then choose the second option, then Next. Put a name on your group, then allow to turn on Share Files. Then it will search. Then next the option, and it's finished. Now I will close it and I'll share a file. This is the file where I've been sending from the other PC.